Hey there, how you doing today? Hope you're well. Welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be explaining how to attach an equipment from the body of the character in the inventory slot, and we are going to add this time a character to the inventory slot. But before that, I would like to say thank you for subscribing to my channel and supporting me throughout the journey. We are very much close to 500 subscribers, and just few more numbers left. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please put a thumbs up, and let's get started. And also check out my Patreon channel, as all the content there is going to be for free, and just because I believe that everybody should have access to the project and learn. So let's get started. Thank you very much.
Now in today's tutorial, what we are going to do, we are going to make sure he has them and we are able to remove those weapons from him. It's going to be a small, sweet tutorial, so let's get started. We'll be doing the quite same thing, basically scene capture component, but for our character first. So the first thing what we're going to do, we are going to go to our third person character. We are going to duplicate this, preview preview actor underscore BP. I will then take this to the preview actor. I will click on this. I will go here. I'm gonna remove all of them first of all. We don't need these at all. Then I'm gonna remove these all. But we're gonna keep this one because we need this attach actor component so that we can see in real time the things are attached to our body. Same for these all as well. I will just delete them as I don't need them except construct script. Now let's compile and save it. Now we're going to go to a preview actor and we are going to add a spring arm. And under the spring arm, let's go to viewport first. We will add the scene capture component. And just to make things look nice in the scene capture component, I'll keep the field of view 40 and I'll also rotate spring arm, sorry. Rotate the spring arm like this. So this is all nice and good. We compile and save it. Now the next thing which we are going to go for it is to find render target, render. Render target, we will name this preview preview render. Now I'm going to bring this and attach it over here. Just going to increase the size of this one, like 1024, and same for this as 1024. So this is the size where we will be accommodating our character. And now what we are going to do is we are also going to create a material. So the material is kind of going to help with the customizing as we don't need the background. So we are going to type this preview actor underscore m, which is for material. And I'm going to click on this. We are going to go user interface, translucent gray, and yeah, this is good. Then we are going to get texture sample. This can come here. In this, we kind of need to put the preview actor render. So we put this one over here. Then from alpha, we are going to get 1 minus so that this will remove the background. Okay. And now let's compile and save these all. We don't need this anymore. You can close this. You can close this as well. Now we have to go to our scene capture component and add the texture target, which is going to be this one. So yeah, now you can see that like it's Yeah, so it's working. So now this all we need to bring it to our widget, right? So, let's work towards that. So we are going to go to our widget, which is the equipment review widget. Under the canvas panel, we are going to add image, image. Drag this and put it here. And here in the image here, I will add this one, preview actor. Oops, there is it. Cool. Now in this image also we need to resize it to make it 500, 500. So yeah, this is gonna be our preview. Looks good, I guess. Yeah, let's compile and save it. Now let's see whether this thing works or not. Oh, it's probably some loading issue. Yeah, it just takes some time to, load it. So it's working. And there you go. Now this kind of looks a bit static. You see, we need to add a bit more of movement. Make it look like there is some movement here. So now we are going to go to our third person character and just close all the tab from right. And we are going to create a CUSTOME custom event. And from here, we are going to get spawn actor from class. Simple, the class is going to be our PREVIEW preview actor, this one. And from spawn transform, just drag and just get make transform. For now, the location, just type about 1000. I'll show you. And from the return value, promote this to variable. And this can be our preview actor ref, preview actor ref. Yeah. Let's compile and save it. Oh, we didn't name this one. We will name this as spawn PREVI preview actor. So yeah, there you go. So now let's get event begin play here because we need to get the spawn actor. So let's get the SPAWN spawn. What did I even name it? We are gonna get spawn preview actor. We're gonna get this function called PREVIEW preview. So yeah, the spelling was wrong. Now we are gonna go to our event begin play and get SPA spawn preview actor. Now let's give this a try. And yeah, you see there is this person here which has been spawned already. But we kind of need to, isolate this person very far. So what we are gonna do now, I will show you. Where is it? We are going to just increase this number, probably a lot of zeros. Now you're gonna see what's gonna happen. It will then escape the sphere of the map. Yeah. Oh, we need to add more zeros, that means. So let's not fall back with the zeros. Here is it. Maybe after 2 more zeros, everything would be fine. And yeah, that's what we want. As you can see, like the character looks a bit dark and blunt. You could also just probably add light as well, a point light, which makes things look better. You could just, yeah, that would do the job. Like, yeah, now the player looks more nice, you see. Now, as you can see that like our character is just stationary, we want it to be having some animation, So what we are going to do here now is we are gonna remove this and remove this. When while we are clicking tab, where we are gonna set GLO global time dilation, and also we'll set a global time dilation once we tab out as well. So we'll just, when we are closing the inventory, the default value is going to be 1. It's pretty much the same thing, but now this time we are going to go to our spawn preview actor and we are going to get GLO. We are going to get time dilation. we're gonna set a time dilation. As you can see, if you put a value here, it's gonna multiply with this, and it's gonna be zero only. So to really fight that, just add few zeros and just put one here, and that should do it. And now we are going to put here just under the preview character, like just maybe a few thousand. Now let's see whether it works or not. See, it works. The character is having some movement. So this is actually working. Like you can see some animation, but like you can see the meshes and all are going bonkers. So there is an actual story behind this, which I'll explain. So one way which I found worked was like once we click tab, our actors are gonna get all the interactable item. So we're gonna get actors of class, and we are gonna get interactable item, and then we are gonna run a for each loop, and we bind this to this, and we are gonna sorry, we are gonna set simulate. We're gonna get set simulate physics, and it's for the item mesh, and we bind this to this. So once we open the inventory, it won't run the simulation, but once we open the inventory, it's going to run the simulation. Quite straightforward. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to collapse this to a function. We'll name this enable item physics. Enable item phy, and this will be, of course, the opposite of it. Disable item physics. So this is all nice and good. Now let's compile and save it and see. And look, everything is, I guess, yeah, it's all nice and good. So now we need to make sure that the equipment which are around the world, we are able to pick it up and we are able to attach it in the body of this person. So we are going to go to our preview actor. We're kind of going to change the name here a bit. We will give a bit more nice name. Remove equipment equipment. No, I'll name this remove equipment equipment from previe, the preview actor. And I'm just gonna control C, just control V it. So let's just start from the attack equipment. I just started already. So at the beginning, what I did, I added in both item info with item info s and equip with an integer. So what we are going to do first is we are going to break the item info open. We are then going to SW switch on item type. We bind this to this. And when it comes to weapon, we need to spawn actor from class. So SPAW spawn actor from class. And our class is going to be the item class. And yeah, just spawn transform. We can just get make transform. Again, here you can just put some absurd number. Shouldn't be big deal, to be honest. Now we kind of have to save the reference. So we are going to get our attached actor, and we are going to get a map of it, which is like an add. So this add add, which is a map array, and we bind this to this. We will be adding the return value to the map array as well. And here what they're asking for is the integer. We already have an integer value which is stored here. So we are going to get equip equip. Let's give it a better name, to be honest. We'll name this equipment as a OT slot index. It's better. We'll just not equipment equipment slot index. Yeah, so we bind this to this. So good. Now, as we have equipment saved, we're just gonna attach all the actor to the component. Attach add the component, which is this one, and we get it over here. And we actually have all of these. So these all snap to target, and our parent is gonna be. So when it comes to socket, we are using the same socket from our third person character. So we can get it from the item type and get enum to string, and then we connect this to the socket name, convert string into name values. So yeah, now what we're gonna do, we are gonna pull the all here. Offhand can also come here. Field can also come here. Head can also come here. Chest, hand, legs, and feet. We are going to go to our third person character and copy paste this whole thing. Control C. Now I'm gonna paste it here. When you paste it, you'll notice that this variable is not gonna be saved in your current preview actor. So you need to convert this to a local variable, which I have already done it. So make sure to convert this to local variable, not just a variable. If you put it into a normal variable, then it's not going to work. So then now you connect chest, hand, leg, and feet. Now after attaching this all, we also need to make sure that we call the local variable. So what we are going to do, we're going to go this to the beginning and just get the local variable here. So to bring this forward here, and we are going to get the skeleton mesh. Now this should work. Let's compile and save it. Oh, let's remove this. Let's compile and save it. That was now I go here. Look, now the character is getting his helmet on his head. Now I'll equip this. He is getting his sword also on his and let's give him his pants as well. Now the character has a pant. So yeah, everything is going so well. But if you have noticed, we are not able to, it's not going away. So basically, similar thing we'll be doing. So we are going to go to our preview actor, go to our remove equipment. Well, can give this name also better name, EQUIP and index as about this slot. It's a quite similar thing which we will be doing here. So if we go to attach item, we are going to get the item info, and this one we are going to copy and paste it. So it just comes here, and this one comes here. Basically, yeah. And then we go back to our touch equipment, and we are going to get. So we are going to go right up here, and we are going to go to our. We are going to go to our player BP, because now we are going to go to our player BP, and we are going to go and check the remove attached item. All the similar things which we did is just going to be Control C, and going to go to our preview actor, remove one, and just Control V. Now we have noticed something. Yeah, I do. Yep, there is an issue here. We are going to go slot index. We have to attach the slot index to this one. See, I have noticed this thing in our third person character. I have not added slot index to the find. That's why. And now we are going to also get equipment slot index, EQUIP equipment slot index. We bind this to this, and now we destroy the actor. Again, the same thing. What is being equipped kind of goes here in the destroyed parts. And when it comes to unequipping, just chest, hands, legs. I mean, you have it already. And feet. Now let's compile and save it. And let's see whether it works or not. My taken helmet. Attach it. and I remove it, and I attach it and I remove it. So this works very well. I attach it and I remove it. Oh, remove it. So yeah, the idea is quite clear now. So I give him a weapon, and I give him also a weapon, and I give him also a weapon. And they look nice and good. So yeah, that's all for today. And thank you very much. I will see you in next tutorial.